So, been working on this car for quite a few days. It's not a quick job that we've actually achieved on this particular one. So this has had our ultimate safety camera alert system upgrade. If you've got any type of performance or supercar, you really need to have these particular gadgets fitted on the cars now these days, because the roads are only getting worse, and if you've got something like this, you just want to make sure you can just sort of open the taps a little bit, obviously within the legal limits, but not get caught for certain speeding offences. So this particular one, we've added the latest generation target Blueye 2. This is a fully installed unit. This is the emergency service vehicle alert system, and will detect up to 3 separate radio frequencies from the Tetra network. We've also included our signature Genevo Pro2M safety alert camera system, full radar detection, laser and GPS, as well as full UK and European driving specification. This also now includes detection for the new AI cameras, as well as motorway cameras as well. I'll explain that shortly. And then we've also included the laser track flare system, which is hidden on the front. So if I just, oh yes, we've also fitted the latest Blackvue generation camera system in this for security, as this customer is from London and is worried about parking his car in London. So we've added the latest LTE cloud connected Blackvue system with an extended battery pack for extended parking. So I'll show that shortly. So let me just pop in here. Okay, so we've got the latest Genevo system, which is very nicely mounted in here. No visible wires. This is your system that will give you all the notifications for radar base, so the new multi-radar and the radar red flex, which are taken into account for the new AI cameras and motorway cameras. It also has a specific database for UK driving as well, for all the main known static cameras, as well as red light cameras as well. You've got European settings if you do go into Europe, which will also utilise further radar detection and alerts through there. Now we've also linked the laser track flare system through this, so it means that any alerts or anything you get from that particular product will also come straight through this system. You can also adjust the settings on the laser track flare as well through this unit, rather than having to keep going to the computer and changing your setting. You can do everything in there. We've also added the target Blueye, which both of these, this is on like a dark mode feature, so it's only when you get an alert this will then come alive, so the rest of the time it looks like it's off. So this is the one that for detecting emergency service vehicles. You can detect up to 3 separate frequencies here, and then obviously as that vehicle is getting closer to you, then these will light up accordingly. And obviously it's just faded out again now because it's in dark mode, which is a nice feature to have. So you only look at it obviously when you need to. So yeah, so if you're interested in literally the ultimate, there is no better speed camera detection combination systems that there is currently on the market with these, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations. As I say, there are various videos about this product. You're very welcome to come in and see us. We've got it on our demo vehicles as well, so we can show you how it all works and that, but there's loads of different settings that you can calibrate within here for detection, sort of highway mode, city mode, auto mode as well. And also we've fitted the latest generation Blackvue camera there. We've got the rear camera nicely snuggled in there, and we've just fitted the battery pack, which is easily accessed, and also it doesn't cause the battery to overheat because they don't like to confined areas, which is literally just behind the seat. The seat will go fully extended back without touching that particular battery pack there. Obviously this is a Touring, so the seats aren't used in the back. So yes, if you would like further information on the ultimate safety camera alert system for your high performance vehicle, or any vehicle in fact in that matter, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations. We'll be very happy to assist.